All right, guys, what's going on? It's Eric here. We're going to go ahead and get to this annual contest drawing here. I'm going to pick these three names with this little random wheel spinner. I put all you guys' names in there who entered into the contest, um, all 40 of you. So we're going to do this drawing here. I'm going to try to make this quick because right now I'm currently in the trade here with HUSA, and I don't really want to miss out on my exit. So I'm trying to multitask here. As you can see, I'm up about 1150 right now, so might need to take these profits and go. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into these spins here, and we'll get it knocked out. I got the names listed here with first names and last names abbreviated for privacy purposes, but I do know which emails are attached to each one of them when I click on them, so we're fine there. So let's go ahead and do this random wheel spinner. If any of you guys are familiar with this little website, it's called wheelofnames.com. It's a pretty cool random spinner. So let's see here who got the first win. All right, Jacob, I'll shoot you your stuff here in a second. Um, got you guys' emails, like I said, so I'll send you your stuff here. Real quick here, let me close out this trade real quick here, so I don't get distracted, guys. Sorry. I'll take that. That's a good little profit, another $1,000. So let's go ahead and go to the next name. Who we got? Who we got? Who we got? Oh, all right, Sierra. Congrats, congrats. And we'll do one more here. All right, Paul. All right, guys, there we have it. Those are the winners. I will shoot you guys an email. We'll make sure your entries and everything is correct. We'll make sure you're, subscribed to the channel and all that good stuff. And I'll shoot you guys an email as far as what your winnings are. Congrats again. Congrats to all you guys who are trading today. I've seen a lot of you banking, in the chat room and stuff like that from the alerts. So, kudos to that. But other than that, hopefully we'll have a great week and we will continue on making some money. All right. You guys stay green.